It's the emptiness that can be overwhelming. For many, the pandemic is filling them with a mild sense of panic and a looming sense of dread. In the new reality of self-isolation and social distancing, even more are looking for help online. On the Big White Wall, an anonymous mental health forum, the number of anxious posts about the coronavirus are surging.
Sort of anxieties about the shutdowns as well.
Ian Toman oversees the wall guides, the mental health practitioners who monitor the site.
People are very concerned about their loved ones, etc., and that impacts on the day-to-day, and especially when there's a shutdown and people are not able to get out and about, it increases those anxieties.
We met Cassandra Somer-Flower in Ottawa last summer. It was soon after she started relying on the Big White Wall to help with her anxiety. She says it's even more of a lifeline now.
So there's just a lot of stress, but I think with the right supports, being with my family, using the Big White Wall community, and just generally trying to stay positive, I think it's going to be okay.
It's the unnerving truth. As more people are told to stay away from each other, more need each other too. On Kids Help Phone, the calls and texts from anxious young people and adults are pouring in.
We're also really worried about, with isolation comes the potential for increased domestic violence. Everyone's in a state of worry and angst and anxiety, increased abuse, increased bullying or cyberbullying. Those kinds of behaviors come out in heightened emotionally charged times.
It is alarming, and yet what is gaining traction here too, the willingness to offer a hand. When the line called out for help, more than 800 people volunteered. And online, more resources are added daily, guides offering strategies on how to cope and how to talk about the fear of the unknown.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
Then there's this, an emerging alternative to the real thing. Teresa Smith organized a virtual wine and cheese with friends.
We agreed that while we need to stay away from each other, we still need to create social connection. Cheers!
It's a toast to the need to connect, now more than ever. Joanna Rumeliotis, CBC News, Toronto.